Okay, so welcome back. I desperately wanted to like change my office space, and since we have all this downtime, it's the best time to like recreate whatever environment you want to thrive in. And so you guys know, I've told you guys I'm trying to like really improve my brand. So one of the things is presentation. So in my videos, I really want the backdrop to be hidden, but I purchased some things, so I really just want to revamp it and make it look like how I know it could look. I purchased more candles, I purchased like more storage, so you guys are gonna see me clean this entire thing and get it together, because you guys are gonna eventually see like my whole office. Like, it's just taking me some time because, you know, creatives, we take too much time in our brain. But anything that I show in this video, you guys will be able to shop the links in the description box, and I'm gonna put them in categories like plants, greenery, they're artificial since I don't have real plants, and then I'm gonna do it by storage, organization, decor, and like break the decor down so you guys know, because I got some cute things and you know they're pink. So without further ado, let's get our hands dirty, let's change, you know, our environment so we can thrive, and let's strive. Okay, I don't know how long this is gonna take, so let's pray. So one of the very first things I wanted to do is just to remove everything that's on the cube organizer. So again, the description box is going to be jam-packed with all of these goodies so you guys can get your entire life. Y'all will not come for my quarantine toes, okay? It's a hard time for everybody, and these dogs are barking, okay? And so to start, I'm gonna get my warm water together, and I am very short. I mean, I'm 5'5", maybe that's average height, but I need a little step ladder. And I'm gonna use the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Lemon Verbena scent. This smells so good. You know, I love citrus, and so this is right up my alley. And I prefer to actually spray the product onto the cloth versus directly onto the surface. That's just my little tip. And this is super easy. Now you might be like, girl, this is like super clean. I don't even know why she's doing this, but I work with a lot of hair. And so there's a lot of hair, there's a lot of flyaways that get caught in here, believe it or not. And there's actually like some product, you know, sometimes I'll be slinging stuff and I don't even know it. So just taking that effort and just cleansing the surface. And I want to tell you guys that even though this looks clean, when I pour that water out, honey, you can tell it collects dust, especially at the top and at the base. That's where I had the most hair, and I had to like, you know, go in and like kind of, you know, touch up the floor just a little bit. I'll mop that later, but that's not for today's video. I didn't know if you guys would want something like that, but like, let me know. Like, once I get my office together, I can do like a full, you know, tour also, and like a full clean with me, because I love to keep this space clean so I'm productive. Now this seat is gorgeous. I love it. I will not mistreat it. I cover it actually when I'm working on hair especially, and makeup, but there are some instances where like the cover isn't, you know, I don't pull it all the way over, so I get like some few pieces of hair, you know, all over the place, and I don't like that. I don't want any oils, so I'm just super protective of this, and I like to keep it cute. And for this segment, I was just waiting for the cube organizer to dry. And so I just wanted to open up some packages. You guys are gonna see all of what this is about. But I just wanna give you guys some visual. Y'all can catch up and we'll chat a little later. So I bought a ton of lab candles. That's one of my favorite companies for candles. I don't know what, you know, what they're telling the girls, but I love lab candle. You need to check them out. Look at the packaging. This one is amber eucalyptus, has a double wick. I don't even know, I don't purchase double wicks, so I don't understand, like maybe I was purchasing and I didn't know it, but I got 2 double wick candles. This is the pink pomegranate and pomelo. First of all, this color. I have this one in a single wick, and I love this like holographic you probably can't see it, but it's a holographic top. This is a coconut wax blend. This one is giving like summer, very fresh, very like, it's giving floral, but it's also giving like that pomegranate, very citrus, because you know the pomelo, but it's like, it's definitely sweet. It's very sweet. If you're not a fan of sweet, then you may not want to get this candle. But the amber eucalyptus, this is going in my like foyer, on my little stand. I forgot what you call it, but this is so perfect. The color is perfect. It'll match my Tom Ford book, because the color scheme is a little dark. And I also got the Himalayan sea salt. This is the relaxed and fresh aromatic candle. It's double wick. This, if you want something that smells like clean and super fresh, this is it. And I like that soft pink. They really go off with the packaging. I got a few of these. I got 3 of these, and they range from like 12 to 18 to the double wick is like 26 and 24. So between 12, 14, 18. Okay. And this one, these are the these are the grapefruit yuzu. So bomb. I'm excited about these. These are pretty too. This one is passion fruit guava. I love the lid on this one. This is very gorgeous. So this is probably gonna be like front and center on one of the shelves back there. This one smells so good, very fresh. I love like passion fruit citrus. This has orange, guava. I don't know, hopefully you're hopefully I influence you to check these out, because I pay for these with my own coins. And look how they package this so it doesn't get broken. It is a little, they are a little extreme with the packaging, because this is not eco-friendly. But yes, the Himalayan sea salt, this one is everything. I have in total with this order, I have 5 of these. That should let you know something. Now, I'm excited about this one. Now let me, I'm excited about this one. So this is the Pure Glow Crystal Himalayan Salt Lamp. This is an ultrasonic oil diffuser. This is gonna be in my office because I need all of the aromatherapy that I can get, and I'm excited about this. This is exactly how it looks. You see that? Let me take it out the, I don't want to take it out the box till I'm ready. Oh, this looks so good. Oh, I'm gonna have to put it together. Oh, but look at this. If you're trying to step it up. Oh yes, look at that. The Himalayan salt goes in there. It comes packaged with, you know, your order and everything. They just keep it separate, which makes sense. So, honey, when you want to step up your aromatherapy essential oil diffuser, I got these mirrored rose gold cases from Amazon. You can definitely check the description box for these. You know, is it a 10 out of 10? It's giving, because it's a little, I see some marks and some scratches. I'm gonna give it probably like an 8, 7.5 out of a 10, but it still looks really cute. You know how something looks cute and it outweighs the little blemishes on it. I'm gonna start putting together these storage bins. These are also from Amazon, and I love the color, very neutral, and it went perfectly with my organizer. So this is a gift box that I purchased from Amazon. I like that it's very sturdy, it's firm, and it holds its structure very well. I wanted to show you guys. And so this is going to be part of like the decor. I'm looking for a specific aesthetic, a certain vibe, and this box was everything. Now this bow was giving me some bow. Okay, I wanted it to be cute and pretty. I didn't want to look at a YouTube tutorial on how to do a bow, but you know, I made it work. We finessed it and she's cute. I would highly recommend this if you want to give someone something and you want it in a nice packaging, or if you want to create a vibe as I'm doing, because you know I'm all about the pink, the florals, and trying to like really maximize this theme of like, you know, pink. Now at the top, I just like to put the bags. I wipe down the boxes. Again, this area gets very dusty. I know you're like, girl, why are you? But I have to wipe everything down. Dust collects a lot at this height, and this is not an area where I'm touching or looking at, so you'd be surprised. And these are just where I place my bags. I recently did a level up video featuring that bag, so if you guys are interested, definitely check that out on my channel. So I love handbags, and I actually purchased this Coach bag because Megan Thee Stallion was endorsed by Coach, and so of course I had to show my support. And this Tory Burch purse that I got, I could not pass it up, so I kept the packaging. I wish they, you know, provided a more sturdy box, but you know, that's the story for another day. But the bag itself is gorgeous. I love the color. And so I just wanted to create like a theme of the bags being on top. I may switch this around later, but you know, maybe put like some neon lights. If you guys have suggestions, definitely drop them in the comment section. I'm all about it. Now, of course, I'm going to take all of the Himalayan sea salt candles and put them into one cube. I have about 5 of them, and I just wanted to stack them. And I love this vase. The vase was a gift. The, you know, artificial monstera leaves, those are from Amazon. And I just wanted to place my Pat McGrath palettes in this area. I like them to be front and center, especially the Divine Rose. I will definitely be copping the Divine Rose too. So yes, expect a tutorial for that one, because I live for Pat McGrath. If you notice the theme, I love supporting Black women. Now, as you guys can see, I'm spacing all of the decor about 1 cube apart. And so in the next cube, I'm going to be placing the stacker organizer. This is for my jewelry. Everything is not in here. I was like just trying to get this video done, but I love when it's filled up. It looks so perfect. This is the perfect organization system for your jewelry, and you can build on it and you can stack them. It's honestly, it's so neat. It keeps it hidden and it just looks really good. And I love this blush color. Like, this was made for me. Now, I definitely wanted to wipe down all of my candles. I don't want any like oily or greasy spots. And you have to go in and like use Windex on the glass vase. I got this from like Home Goods or Marshalls. I highly recommend, you know, once everything is clear and we're good to go, still practicing social distancing, go with your mask to a Home Goods or a Marshalls, because they always have everything. And I'm sure they're gonna be like doing a major clearance sale. I can only imagine. Now for this gift box, again, it's going to be front and center, I promise you guys, and I'm going to be placing some of the lab candles on top. I wanted this one to have different hues of pink to kind of go in line with the box itself, but also like the floral accents with the vase and the cube over. Okay, now I have a tip. So I'm going to be taking 2 panels of bubble wrap, bringing them together, and then rolling them downward. I want to create, you know, the illusion of a more fuller blanket, which you guys will see. This again is from Amazon. It's lightweight. I didn't want something too heavy. I didn't want anything too bulky, and I wanted the option to be able to build it up at my leisure. And so this is a great way to just make it look more full. And I'm putting it in this rose gold bin. Sis, wait till I get my label. I don't know what I wanted to say, but I'm gonna figure that out. But I like this. Someone recommended that I add texture, and I am so grateful that they recommended that, because it just started me on this whole like journey of really exploring different ways to, you know, create the vibe and the aesthetic that I want. I added some of my pink clutches. Again, check the description box for the one I showed earlier. It's gorgeous. And the next cube has some journals, some agendas and schedules, and I just put a little pink bag on top. And as for these like rose gold mirrored vanity cases, these are everything. Like, granted, they had a few blemishes and imperfections, which I was not pleased about. I expect my stuff to arrive beautiful and just like perfect, but I didn't want to return them. They came in like super large packaging. you know, because they're glass. But I'm gonna rock with it and just keep the blemish portions facing the back. But I love the touch of color, and it's a really nice accent to the wall. Now I wanted to use my faux eucalyptus leaves, and I was just really trying to figure out where to place these. I want them to be visible, so I don't really know. I'm gonna work on how I want to place these, but I'm definitely thinking about getting more greenery and making the space look a little bit more earthy, because I like an earthy vibe, but not overwhelming. I don't like overcrowded spaces. I just can't get with it. But I love these storage bins. They work so well with the color of the organizer. I love the little rope handles. It just gives it more of like a rustic but very chic feel at the same time. And you guys, I have my art supplies in that bin. I'm just letting you know I'm about to be dropping some arts and crafts on y'all, so make sure you stay tuned. But once everything is together, I just wanted to add some handbags right at the center to break it up. And I think we did something here. Definitely let me know what you guys think. Again, I'm on a journey, a creative journey. I'm working on creating the perfect working environment. I love to be at peace and in a positive space with positive energy. And like, cleanliness is so important when you know, are working from home, or, you know, you're an influencer like myself. Just your environment is everything. Don't underestimate it. And granted, this is just a little mini organization thing, but I hope you guys enjoy. I had fun doing this, and I will definitely try to, you know, enhance and optimize the content moving forward, because again, I can see this being like an office makeover / upgrade organization series. And if you guys are down for that, you know, you can hit that thumbs up button, and also drop me a comment and let me know. And share this with your homeboys and your homegirls, and let me know which is your favorite piece. Definitely let me know. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.